Just real quick, I wanted to make a little update video on my flight sim project, or my base for my side stick here. Man, I wish I didn't get so tongue-tied. I'm gonna have this guy. We've got this finally complete. I've got my directional hat switches. These are just 5-way tact switches. I got up, down, left, right, and a click. So we've got 4 of those. I'm gonna be printing the buttons out. Here's the 4th one. And then of course I've got all the buttons that go. This actually has a 2-stage click on it. Got a pinky button down here. I'm gonna probably use that for brakes or something, I don't know. And I've got all the all the bundle of wires out the bottom here. And it's gonna fit on this thing. It's just a 2-axis mount. Got some springs to center it. I'm using 2 potentiometers to get the readout. So there's that. And it sits next to my little bitty throttle. So we're getting the flight simulator project down. Currently we're using this. Got a bunch of common stuff mapped out here. Some of those are wrong. I've changed them a couple times now. So yeah, that's our flight sim project so far. Got the hardware finished, for the most part finished. Gotta like print out my little hat switch, toppers or whatever. And that's it. To interface it, I'm gonna be using this little one of these. Well, I've got another one. Where's it at? I've got a few, but I've got a bunch of these for real. I'm actually gonna be using my own because I just got, if I can keep everything here. Oh, this is a mess. I don't mean for it to be. It would be that one. So, yes, here we go. So, I'm actually gonna switch that chip out on there, and we're gonna use the same one that's on the Arduino Leonardo and micro right here that I just had. And yeah, I'm gonna just use my own board instead. So, because I like that it uses the USB, it just automatically sets it right up. So, yeah. Only thing left is the programming them in, and yep, now I have me a good old flight stick. If you want to see more, subscribe, like, and stick around. See ya.